Imagine this. You have only 5 minutes to leave your home forever. The clock is ticking, adrenaline is pumping. What do you reach for? What truly matters in those precious seconds? Most people instinctively think of grabbing cherished photos, laptops, or their favorite electronics. But in a real emergency, your survival hinges on what you've packed in your bug-out bag, your ultimate go bag. This isn't just a backpack, it's your lifeline, your ticket to safety when disaster strikes and chaos erupts. Many people overload their bags with big knives, bulky tents, or heavy gear, but often overlook the small, crucial items that can truly mean the difference between life and death in a crisis. The real art of preparedness is all about efficiency, choosing compact, multifunctional gear that truly earns its place in your bag and can serve more than one purpose. This isn't just another standard gear list. We're about to reveal the forgotten essentials, the tiny titans of survival that most people never think to pack, but could save your life. Your bug-out bag is more than just a collection of items. It's a carefully curated survival toolkit designed to get you from danger to safety, not to provide comfort or luxury. Every single item must be reliable, multi-use, and ruthlessly selected for its ability to help you adapt and overcome unexpected challenges. We'll cut through the myths and misconceptions, focusing on a minimalist approach that prioritizes speed, resourcefulness, and adaptability above all else. Get ready to rethink everything you know about bug-out bags. Discover the small, game-changing items you can't afford to leave behind, items that could make all the difference when it matters most. This is about adopting a mindset of ultimate efficiency and readiness, because when every second counts, less truly is more, and being prepared means being able to move fast and smart. Why 72 hours? Why is this specific window of time so critical when it comes to survival planning? Because in any major disaster, emergency services are overwhelmed and you're on your own for at least 3 days. It's a harsh reality. First responders simply can't reach everyone right away. Roads may be blocked, supplies gone, and help delayed. Grocery stores empty out in hours, and damaged infrastructure can leave entire neighborhoods stranded. Your bug-out bag must cover your basic needs: water, shelter, fire, first aid, just long enough to bridge that gap. Think of it as your lifeline until help arrives or conditions improve. The goal isn't comfort, it's survival. You're not packing for luxury, but for the bare essentials that keep you alive. A heavy bag drains your energy and slows you down. Every extra pound is a liability. In a crisis, mobility is everything. A compact, lightweight bag lets you move quickly, stay mobile, and avoid drawing attention. The lighter your load, the farther and faster you can go. When packing, ask, is this essential for my next 3 days? Will it truly help me survive, or is it just extra weight? Is there a lighter alternative? Can I swap bulky items for compact, multi-use tools? Ruthless editing is what separates a survival kit from a camping pack. Every item must earn its place. You're packing for a sprint to safety, not a leisurely hike. Speed and efficiency can make all the difference. Your bag must enable fast, efficient movement. It should feel like an extension of your body, not a burden. The 72-hour rule shapes not just what you pack, but how: light, tight, and ready for anything. In those first 3 days, preparation is your best chance at survival. Picture this. A flash flood hits in the night. You have seconds to escape. Your pre-packed bug-out bag is your only chance. In real disasters, speed is everything. A heavy, disorganized bag can cost you your life. Whether it's a flood, blackout, or wildfire, mobility is your greatest asset. A lightweight kit lets you move fast, climb obstacles, and blend in, crucial for safety and survival. Static targets are vulnerable. Mobility equals life. The window to reach safety is small and stressful. Your pack's weight and bulk will either help or hinder you with every step. That's why we train for worst-case scenarios and prioritize multifunctional, lightweight gear. Practice moving with your bag. Know your limits. Speed and compactness aren't just buzzwords, they're survival principles. Pack for reality, not fantasy. Your ability to move fast is your most powerful tool. Don't confuse a camping pack with a bug-out bag. They serve completely different missions, and understanding the difference could be crucial in an emergency. Camping is about comfort and recreation. You pack for enjoyment, not survival. You bring what makes your trip fun and relaxing, from extra clothes to your favorite snacks. A bug-out bag, on the other hand, is for unplanned, high-stress evacuation. Comfort is a luxury you can't afford when every second counts and your safety is on the line. Every item must be scrutinized for weight, bulk, and necessity. If it doesn't serve a critical purpose, it doesn't make the cut. Instead of a tent, pack a lightweight tarp. It's versatile, quick to set up, and saves precious space and weight in your bag. Instead of a full cook set, a metal cup does the job. It can boil water, cook simple meals, and even serve as a container for gathering or purifying water. When camping, you're still connected to civilization. Help, supplies, and comfort are usually just a short walk or drive away. Bugging out, you're on your own. You must be ready to face the unknown, possibly for days, without outside assistance. Multi-use items are critical. A bandana can filter water, serve as a bandage, or signal for help. Every item should earn its place by serving more than one function. A sturdy knife is for more than cutting. It's a survival tool for building shelter, preparing food, and even self-defense if needed. Don't just repurpose camping gear. Build your bug-out bag from scratch with survival in mind. Each item should be chosen for reliability and necessity. Choose muted colors to blend in, not stand out. Camouflage can help you stay unnoticed in uncertain situations. Organize for quick access to essentials like first aid and water. In an emergency, seconds matter, so keep your most important items within easy reach. A camping bag is for leisure, relaxation, and making memories with friends or family. A bug-out bag is for survival, for when you need to move fast and stay alive in unpredictable conditions. Pack like your life depends on it, because in a true emergency it absolutely does. Preparation is your best defense. More gear doesn't mean more prepared, it means more exhausted. A heavy pack drains your energy and increases your risk of injury. True preparedness is about skill and efficiency, not quantity. A light, well-chosen kit and the knowledge to use it beats a heavy, cluttered bag every time. Challenge every item. Do I need this? Can something else do the job? Is there a lighter version? Swap heavy tools for lighter, multi-use ones, a folding saw instead of an axe, a collapsible water bladder instead of multiple bottles. Minimalism forces creativity and resourcefulness. Your skills weigh nothing and can't be lost. Focus on a streamlined kit that complements your abilities. Move through the wilderness with speed and intelligence. One of the most overlooked survival tools is the Fresnel lens, a flat, credit card-sized magnifier. It starts fires using sunlight, never runs out of fuel, and can't get wet or break easily. Lighters and matches fail. A Fresnel lens works as long as there's sun. It's nearly weightless and fits in your wallet. It's silent, discreet, and perfect for stealthy fire starting. Beyond fire, it can signal for help or magnify small objects for first aid. For its size and weight, nothing beats its value. Every bug-out bag should have one. Sometimes the smallest tools are the most reliable. Gorilla tape is the ultimate fix-it item, stronger and more reliable than standard duct tape. In survival, things break. Gorilla tape patches tarps, boots, backpacks, and more. Don't carry a whole roll. Wrap 10-15 feet around a water bottle or card for compact storage. Its uses are endless. Repair gear, reinforce shelters, lash tools, or even improvise first aid. It can splint a tent pole, secure a sprained ankle, or protect a blister. In a pinch, it can even hold a wound together. For its versatility and strength, Gorilla Tape is a must-have. Pack it smart, use it often. It's a universal repair kit in your pocket. When things go wrong, Gorilla Tape keeps you moving. The P38 can opener is a tiny, time-tested tool that saved countless lives. Developed for the military, it's small, light, and nearly indestructible. In a blackout, canned food may be your best resource, but without a way to open it, you're out of luck. Smashing cans wastes food and risks injury. Using your knife can ruin your most important tool. The P38 opens cans cleanly and safely, protecting your knife for critical tasks. It also doubles as a screwdriver, striker, or scraper. For less than $1 and almost no weight, it adds huge capability. The best survival tools are often the simplest. Don't overlook this classic. Add it to your kit. Sometimes the smallest gear makes the biggest difference. A true 72-hour bug-out bag isn't about gadgets, it's about survival. Your mission: get from danger to safety fast. Every ounce and inch counts. Your bag must be an extension of your will to survive. Real disasters demand immediate action and mobility. A compact, lightweight bag lets you move, conserve energy, and stay under the radar. Multifunctional gear and essential skills matter more than flashy equipment. Remember the Fresnel lens, Gorilla Tape, and P38 can opener, tiny tools with massive impact. Be ruthless. Is your bag too heavy? Is every item essential and multi-use? Build your kit for survival, not comfort. Train with your gear, hone your skills, and stay ready. When disaster strikes, your ability to move fast and stay alive is your greatest asset.